If you are using a website or online app that is trying to use your microphone, but you notice that it's not working well, maybe it's using a microphone on your system that is not the intended one that you want to use, well, this is what you should do. Let me go and share my screen with you. I'm going to use ChatGPT as an example because it has several ways of picking up my microphone. I'm going to use the dictate. So I click on the dictate button and I notice that the sound waves start picking up my voice, but the sound waves are not as pronounced as I usually am used to. So I'm guessing that it's because it's not using the correct microphone on my system. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So you'll notice that in every website that you go to or online app that is using a browser, I'm using Google Chrome, by the way. If you are using a different browser, it should have something similar to what I'm going to show you. If it's different and you want to give a tip to other users, please go ahead and comment below. So next to the URL, in the URL bar of the website, next to the left of the link is the settings button. So go ahead and click on that settings button. A lot of us probably didn't even notice that it was there. So click on it and you'll notice that there's a bunch of settings here. There's the microphone setting. This button is what you can do this to turn on or off the website's ability to pick up your microphone. But next to the on off switch is an arrow. Click on the arrow and you will notice that there is a drop down menu and it's sort of like a testing bar that shows you how strongly or weakly it is picking up your microphone. In this case, you'll notice that it's picking up my microphone quite weakly because it's actually using the microphone of an external camera that's on the other side of my table, okay? Not the one that I actually wanted to use, which is my earpiece microphone here. So let me go ahead and show you, click on the drop-down menu. I'm going to select the earpiece microphone that I wanted to use and notice that the strength of the audio that is picking up is much better. So once I have selected the correct microphone for this website, now I can click out of the settings. And now, if I use the dictate feature to pick up my voice, it is so much more pronounced. It is picking up all my words much more clearly than before. Sometimes I'm speaking more softly and the sound waves are smaller, and sometimes either way, you will notice if you do this yourself that ChatGPT is very good at picking up the words quite correctly. Anyway, I hope that this is helpful for you, and if you have any other tips for, especially if you use, a different web browser like Safari or Firefox or something, comment below and share with other users how they might modify this tip for them as well. So let me know if this is useful to you, and thanks for watching.